How to fix no internet connection during phone calls on Android. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up to fix that issue. So let's just dive right into the video. So the first thing we can do is we can turn on VoLTE, which is most important. So go to the settings of your device, and once you open up your settings you need to go to the connection section, tap on it, and within connection you can look out for the option called mobile networks and tap on it, or SIM card. Once you find it up, you just need to look out for the SIM that you have, and you need to turn on the option for VoLTE calls for 4G calling, and just go over and do so. And what it does is, because without VoLTE your phone switches to 2G to 3G calls during calls, so internet stops, so that will basically not do it. Apart from that, we can also enable the 4G or 5G network mode. Again, head over to our settings for that. And once you are in settings, go to connections, and within connections, look out for mobile network. And just go over and select up your preferred network type. Select a 4G or 5G if you have that option, and that will also work out for you. And also you can turn on mobile data during calls. So what we can do is within our settings itself, again go to the option, or we can access our quick settings panels and look out for the mobile data option that we can tap on in order to turn it on. That will help us, that will help us to have a fluent call. So you can follow out this method. And also, if nothing else works, you can reset your network settings. Go to settings for that and look out for the option called general management. And within general management, go to the option called reset. And within reset, select the option of network reset. And there tap on reset settings and reset the network. That will remove all the saved Wi-Fi password for yourself. And that's it. For now, you can just go over and follow this method and you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.